Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for all you budding photographers and videographers out there. The best cameras for beginners in 2024. Whether you're just starting your creative journey or looking to upgrade your gear, we've got some fantastic options lined up for you. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things photography and tech. Now, let's jump right into it. Number 5. Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 is a mirrorless camera that combines user-friendly features and powerful capabilities to enable photography enthusiasts and beginners alike. The Z50 combines compact design, intuitive controls, and exceptional image quality to make the learning curve entertaining and rewarding for those starting into the world of interchangeable lens cameras. The Z50's portable design ensures you never miss a moment. Ideal for novices looking for a camera that is both powerful and portable. The 20.9-megapixel APS-C sensor of the Z50 captures vivid and bright photos. The larger sensor size adds to greater image quality, even in low-light situations. Number 4. Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50 is an excellent entry-level camera aimed for aspiring photographers. The EOS R50 is a perfect stepping stone into the world of digital photography, combining user-friendly features with Canon's renowned imaging technology. The EOS R50 features an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate settings and capture stunning images without being overwhelmed by complexity. Take use of an APS-C sensor's image quality and creative capabilities. The EOS R50 provides an excellent foundation for your photography adventure by ensuring that your photographs are detailed, vivid, and rich in color. Enjoy fast and accurate autofocus with Canon's dual-pixel CMOS F technology. Whether shooting stills or video, the EOS R50 maintains great focus on your subjects even in adverse shooting settings. Compose your images with ease with the vari-angle touchscreen. Tilt the screen to capture innovative perspectives or to make selfies easier. With 4K recording capacity, you can explore the world of video. The EOS R50 allows you to create high-quality films, offering up new channels for creative expression. Use built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to link the camera to your smartphone or tablet. Share your photographs instantaneously, remotely operate the camera, or back up your shots for safekeeping. The compact and lightweight design of the EOS R50 makes it easy to bring wherever your photography travels take you. It's an excellent companion for people just beginning out in photography. Experiment with your imagination by using in-camera creative effects and shooting settings. The EOS R50 encourages research and experimentation, allowing you to build your own photographic style. The EOS R50 is compatible with a wide range of lenses as part of Canon's EOS system. This adaptability allows you to develop your photographic talents as you advance. The EOS R50 provides impressive low-light performance, allowing you to confidently shoot in challenging lighting conditions without sacrificing image quality. Powered by Canon's DiGEC image processor, the EOS R50 ensures fast image processing, responsive performance, and accurate color reproduction, contributing to the overall excellence of your photos. With the EOS R50's continuous shooting capability, you can capture fast-paced action. Freeze the exact moment, whether it's a candid expression or a dynamic movement. Improve portrait photography by achieving accurate focus on your subject's eyes. Even when shooting wide open, the eye detection app ensures that your portraits are clear and captivating. With customizable buttons, you can tailor the camera's controls to your preferences, allowing you to access frequently used functions quickly and efficiently. The EOS R50 is compatible with Canon's extensive lineup of EF and EFS lenses, giving you access to a wide range of optics to suit various photography styles and subjects. As your abilities develop, you can go to more advanced models in the EOS R series while remaining comfortable with Canon's ecosystem. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R50 is a well-rounded and approachable camera for novices, with a good mix of basic functions, image quality, and creative options. Whether you're just starting out in photography or looking to upgrade from a simpler setup, the EOS R50 gives a solid foundation for your photographic journey. Number 3. Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500 the ideal companion for aspiring photographers venturing into the world of DSLRs, remains the go-to camera for novices in 2024. The D3500 enables enthusiasts to produce breathtaking photographs and embark on their photographic journey with confidence by combining user-friendly features with Nikon's acclaimed imaging technology. The D3500's 24.2-megapixel DX format CMOS sensor is at its heart, offering sharp, high-resolution photos with rich colors and outstanding detail. It's a sensor that will make your images stand out even as you improve. Paired with the X-Speed 4 image processor, the D3500 provides fast and responsive performance. This combination means that you never miss a moment, from rapid autofocus to seamless image processing. Aside from taking amazing images, the D3500 can also capture full HD 1080p video. Capture memorable moments in motion with clarity and depth, bringing up new creative options. The D3500 has an easy-to-use guide mode that is ideal for novices. It offers step-by-step guidance, making camera settings simple to learn and understand, letting users to go into more advanced techniques at their own pace. Capture more without worrying about running out of battery life. The exceptional battery life of the D3500 ensures that you can focus on your creativity without continual interruptions. Designed for portability, the D3500's compact and lightweight chassis makes it easy to carry on your photographic journeys. It's a lightweight camera that's ideal for capturing fleeting moments. The camera's user-friendly UI and well-placed controls make it simple for beginners to browse settings and experiment with different modes. The Nikon D3500 encourages experimentation and learning. As part of the Nikon DSLR ecosystem, the D3500 enables you to broaden your creative horizons with a selection of interchangeable lenses. Choose the lens that best suits your vision, from wide-angle to telephoto. Use SnapBridge technology to link your D3500 to your smartphone or tablet. You may instantly share your images and even use your mobile device as a camera remote control. On the 3.0-inch LCD monitor, you can easily compose and examine your photographs. Number 2. Sony ZV E10. The Sony ZV E10 appears as the ideal partner for those just starting out in photography and filming. This mirrorless camera, designed to be intuitive, compact, and feature-rich, enables ambitious creators to create spectacular visuals without the complexity sometimes associated with professional-grade equipment. The ZV E10 has an easy-to-use interface, allowing beginners to quickly understand important settings and focus on unlocking their creative potential. The ZV E10's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, allowing beginners to explore various shooting scenarios effortlessly. Despite its entry-level status, the ZV E10 features a generous APS-C sensor, delivering impressive image quality and allowing beginners to capture detailed and vibrant shots. The ZV E10's lens adaptability provides flexibility for a variety of shooting styles. Discover the power of 4K video recording, which enables beginners to make videos with amazing detail and clarity. Whether you're making vlogs or short videos, the ZV E10 has you covered. With the ZV E10's real-time eye autofocus and tracking, you can catch objects in perfect focus. This function is especially useful for beginners, assuring sharp and clear shots without the need for manual changes. Use the vari-angle touchscreen to easily frame your shots. Beginners may easily prepare and evaluate their images and videos, even while shooting from difficult angles. With the ZV E10's backdrop-to-focus adjustment, they can easily achieve professional-looking portraits. The camera's rapid and accurate autofocus function is a gift for beginners. Number 1. Fujifilm X-S10. Step into the world of photography with the Fujifilm X-S10, a camera designed to make the move easy and pleasant for novices. The X-S10 is the ideal companion for individuals taking their initial steps in photography, as it is packed with features that prioritize ease of use without sacrificing image quality. The X-S10 has an ergonomic design with intuitive controls that make it easy for beginners to adjust settings. The easy-to-use UI offers a smooth learning curve, making it suitable for photographers of all skill levels. capture clear, blur-free photographs even in difficult shooting situations. The XS10's in-body image stabilization reduces the impact of camera shake, giving beginners the confidence to experiment and explore different shooting scenarios. Guys, there concludes our top 5 best cameras for beginners of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.